Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to take out our 7-meter NorthPort rib, 24.5 feet long. We just had it completely serviced by Supreme Marine and Tender Care Yachts. So we went through the motor completely, all new fluids and filters. We've put 5 total test miles on it, or test hours on it. The fiberglass has been repaired by Tender Yacht Care, so it looks brand new underneath, and all the tubing is in excellent condition. It holds air for about 2 weeks and then starts to slowly leak out. You do have all new hardware throughout. The only thing we didn't do is a C deck, so we're gonna let whoever buys it decide on what they wanna do, and we'll work with them in regards to a price point. You do have nice anchoring points right here, and the best part is the center. So when you jump on here, this will hold 18 people. It's got a 6 BTA, 30-gallon diesel tank, which is right there, and then a beautiful engine. You've got a C strainer with a hookup for fresh water when you clean up the engine. We have 686 hours on it. You can strain your fuel here. You've got your fuel filter here, and then a secondary fuel filter on this side. This motor makes tons of torque. We brought out Joel and Christian. He brought his Nacho Libre, what is that, a Sporty X Yamaha? So it's 100 horsepower. We're gonna see what it does in comparison to this thing. It's the Civic of the water. So let's jump on in here. Let's start it up and take it for a ride. We'll test out the burn for the diesel and the torque. So what we do is we got a kill switch in here, on, off. There's your giant turbo. I've already turned it on. Pull this up right here. Make sure you're neutral. Start her on up. That's a beautiful sound. Let's drop the motor. There we go, it's down. Jump on in, let's go for a ride. All right, so we're cruising right now down the Dania Cutoff Canal. You can see that there's a lot of space up there. This will hold 18 people comfortably. It is a very quick boat, a response boat. Everything was detailed. We did do a Garmin GPS 44.1, and then I went through all the electronics, so you have a really nice layout here, and you have 24 volt and 12 volt capability. You've got a nice throttle handle here, and then you do have a kill switch. We've got the Sport right there, Joel and Christian. Underneath here, you're gonna have your drive line, which we'll show you in the gallery, in our photo gallery. You do have running lights. We did do a United VHF, a new one, and we did a carbon plate. And here's some of the information for this specific boat. You can hear that diesel purring right now. We'll be able to open it up in about 45 minutes, so enjoy the ride. We'll see some airplanes take off shortly. Thanks again. All right, we're here with the 7-meter NorthPort rib. We're gonna do a little bit of a test run here. You can go about 25 miles an hour, and that'll show you guys how it accelerates with that 6 BTA. If you have any questions, be sure to give us a call at 954-363-2261. Looks like someone's calling right now. Here we go, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. So recap of it, 6 BTA with 686 hours, Bravo 2X outdrive, completely serviced in regards to the engine and the outdrive. Fiberglass was completely reworked, so they redid all the fiberglass at Tender Care Yachts. Really nice platform, turnkey for anybody. If you have any questions, give us a call at 954-363-2261. Also, please like and subscribe so we can give you some more cool content like this. Next one's gonna be a Baja truck. We're gonna drive from California to Florida. I always said I didn't like jet skis, but I love this thing.